What's up everybody, my name is Lance, founder of Waterloo Turf, and today we're going to be talking about turf terminology and specs. This is the meat of the turf industry. This is what really sets apart a true turf pro, their knowledge, their information that they can share with their clients. So we're going to run through it a little bit, give you some stats. You can keep these in your back pockets and just kind of talk about essentially what's on every turf tag and what they mean. So first off, pile height. Pile height is the blade height. So just really how long is the blade? Is it an inch, inch and a half, 1.75? So that's really what we're talking about there. The other one is face weight. So this is something we get asked about often. I think some people try to make it a little bit more confusing or more than it is, but face weight truly is just the thickness of the turf product. So if it's 50 ounces, it's not gonna be quite as thick as a 90 ounce product. So that's what we're talking about when we talk about face weight. And then you've got thatch color and blade color. So thatch color is what's really deep in the turf product. It's a little bit shorter than the blade, so it's kind of what's tucked inside of the product versus the blade color, which is obviously the blade itself and the colors of it. So these often come field green, olive green, or just brown. And then you get different mixes of them depending on which product that you're going with. So that's a very basic run through of some very easy turf terminology, but that's really what you're looking at when you look at the back of a turf tag.